How to recover view one's photo on WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, what I want you to do is go to the settings. Just go to settings. So after going to your settings, I want you to go to your chats. Here on the chat settings, you need to scroll down a bit until you get to chat backup. So after going to here, you need to tap on this chat backup option. You need to tap on the chat backup option and make sure you have backed up before opening the view one's photo. So what you can do is just tap on this backup and wait for the messages to be backed up. After the message is backed up, what you can do is just check up your backup. After that, when you check your backup, you should be able to restore the view once message on your WhatsApp. So just follow these methods and you should be able to restore your view once messages. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.